By the way, I am Philip Imbong. I will be your speaker for this session. And just a quick background about myself, I am a 24 years old computer engineer, and I'm also a system engineer. And I am also an ICT senior high school and ESL teacher. I am an associate marketing director and a financial educator here in IMG. Today, I am going to teach you on what are the concepts that I know here in IMG na hindi nyo pa na-encounter siguro sa school or sa trabaho nyo po ninyo. So, hindi na ituro sa inyo. It's because this is exclusively tinuturo sa IMG. So, let's start. Um, okay. Ano ba ang IMG? Sino ba kami? IMG is International Marketing Group, and we are one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services companies in the Philippines. And we assist people who want to help themselves achieve financial freedom through financial education and building a proper financial foundation. So, of course, we have established partnerships with the biggest companies in the financial industry as a financial brokerage. Okay, so our main office is in ninth floor Kings Court Building, First Gina Roses Avenue in Makati City. And we have branch offices in the World Center in Cebu, Davao, Cagayan de Oro, Dubai, Singapore, Hong Kong, Macau, and Europe. Okay, so today we have campaign. Okay, so our global campaign is financial education. It means we are teaching financial literacy, and our goal is to have 30 million people by the year 2030, financially educated families. And as of now, sa tracker namin, we are more than 2 million na. But this is not updated. This is already more than this number. Okay, so kung nakikita nyo dito, pwede kayong mag-register sa campaign namin. Dito, click here to register campaign. So just ask the person who invited you kung paano ka makasali dito sa 30 million. Okay, so now we have a lot of financial centers worldwide. Kung nakikita nyo dito, di lang sa Pilipinas lang IMG, but we are worldwide. We have in Paris, Belgium, Barcelona, Singapore, Hong Kong, and of course sa ating Makati office, Cebu office, and Davao office. And we have this book. Ito yung pinopromote namin ngayon. This book is called The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future book. One of the authors of this book is si Brother Bo Sanchez. Sabi ng librong ito, financial education is not just for the wealthy, but it is for everyone. Ibig sabihin po, hindi lang po pang mayaman ang pag-i-invest at pag-uusap sa pera, lahat ng tao ay involved. Lahat ng tao ay may kakayanan mag-ipon, di ba? So, lahat tayo pwedeng gumastos at dapat alam natin kung saan natin ilagay yung pera natin. So, para po ito sa lahat. That is why we are giving free seminars for everybody. So, free ebook po ito. You should contact the person who invited you to have this amazing ebook. Okay? So, now our talk for this afternoon is entitled Building Your Future, Taking Control of Your Money. So, have you asked yourself, sa ilang taon mong pagtatrabaho, is money controlling you or do you control your money? So in this Foundation Educational webinar, we will learn how to control our money by building our future. This is a global campaign for financial literacy. So with this Financial Foundation Education program, you will learn how to make money work better for you. How? By finding and saving more money, understanding investment and build wealth, protect and preserve your money, and you can become your own money manager. And you can learn the habits of successful people, the habits of controlling your money. So how do we do that? So by building a strong financial foundation. So ngayon, ituturo ko ngayon sa inyo ang pagbibuild ng strong financial foundation. Always remember, strong financial foundation is like building a house. You must build it from the ground up. Para tayong nagbibuild ng bahay, di ba? Pag nagbibuild tayo ng bahay, meron tayong tinatawag na blueprint because our blueprint is our plan. Plano na dapat natin ifa-follow para strong yung foundation ng bahay natin. Anytime, hindi siya magigiba kahit anong emergency. So ano ba dapat ang unahin natin? Ano ba dapat yung priority natin? Ito po yung tamang pagbibuild ng strong financial foundation. First is unahin talaga natin yung healthcare. Okay? So we must have a proper healthcare. Bakit healthcare ang pinaka-importante? Kasi alam naman natin na ang number one of personal bankruptcy is the medical expenses. Alam nyo, dito sa Pilipinas, based on statistics, maraming Pilipino ang namamatay di dahil ay kulang tayo ng doktor, pasilidad o ospital. Maraming namamatay dahil walang pambayad, walang pera. That's why healthcare is very important. And when talking about healthcare, di dapat tayo nagkadepende sa ating gobyerno gaya ng PhilHealth, di ba? Kasi alam nyo naman yung issue na ngayon sa PhilHealth, di ba? Nagkawala-wala na yung funds sila at nagkauubusan na. So dahil dyan, nagkautang-utang na po sila sa kahit saan na lang ahensya ng gobyerno. So kung magdedepende ka lang sa PhilHealth, there will be a possibility na kukulangin talaga kasi limited lang yung resources ng ating gobyerno. Ang hirap pag hindi mapaghandaan yung healthcare, di ba? Kasi karamihan sa atin nababankrupt lang dahil sa kakulangan ng paghanda ng healthcare natin. Kahit mayaman ka pa, di ba? So dapat ito yung pinaka first step or base in building your strong financial foundation. Dapat meron tayong healthcare. Always remember, we should take control of our healthcare kasi habang wala ka pang sakit, kumuha ka na po ng healthcare kasi lahat naman tayo dito sa mundo ay nagkakasakit, di ba? So kung wala kang healthcare, mauubos talaga yung pera mo. Ang mahirap kasi pag wala kang healthcare, madadamay din yung pamilya mo, di ba? Yung anak mo, di ba? Lalo na sa retirement mo. Kasi during our retirement, dyan lalabas yung mga sakit natin, di ba? Kung di mo naplanuhan yung healthcare mo, habang wala ka pang sakit, yung retirement, pwede ka maging pabigat sa pamilya mo, di ba? That is why healthcare must be your first number one priority. Kaya nga sinasabi natin na health is wealth, di ba? Ang kalusugan natin, ang kayamanan natin. Kasi we need to take care of our health, di ba? We should have healthcare. Okay, so second priority, life protection. So, ano ba yung life protection? We are talking here about life insurance. So, bakit ba tayo kumuha ng life insurance? Alam nyo ba sa USA or sa Amerika, required silang kumuha ng healthcare at life insurance? Insured halos ang mga tao doon, mga first world countries. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, pag pinag-usapan yung life insurance, ano ba yan? Importante ba yan? Pangpatay lang yan eh. Kung naisip nyo lang ang kahalagaan ng life insurance, kasi ang buhay natin ay kakaikli lang, di ba? Life is too short. So kung wala kang life insurance, paano mo mapoprotektahan yung pamilya mo, di ba? Because the life insurance is the one who will take care of your family. Kasi bibigyan sila ng instant money in the event na may mangyayari sa'yo, di ba? Kumuha tayo ng life insurance para sa pamilya natin para di mahihirapan ang pamilya mo pag mawawala ka na, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay breadwinner. Okay? So, di dapat tayo maging allergic sa word na insurance kasi napaka-importante nito. Okay? So, the next one is debt management. So, ano ba yung debt? So, ito po ay utang. So, you should manage your utang. Okay? Yan po. So, paano ba natin mamamanage yung utang natin? Kasi kadalasan sa atin, hilig talaga sa utang, lalong-lalo na kung merong sale. Di ba? That's why there is what we call good debt and bad debt, di ba? Good debt is ito yung mangutang ka na may bumabalik sa'yo na pera. Ibig sabihin, kung mag-loan ka ng sasakyan or cellphone para mag-business, okay? Um, um, uh, okay, kung mag-business ka at mag-loan ka para sa business mo, okay lang yan. Okay, please kindly mute your microphones. Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's go back. So, ibig sabihin, ang good debt, kung mag-loan ka ng sasakyan or cellphone para pang business or income generating, okay lang po yan. Okay? Kasi may bumabalik sa'yo na
May
pera.
bumabalik sa
Pero, okay? Pero kung bad debt naman, ito po ay nangungutang ka na walang bumabalik sa'yo na pera. Meaning, lugi ka, di ba? Gaya ng credit card. Di ba? Ah, nangungutang ka, 'di ba? At may interest pa 'yan, binabayaran mo, 'di ba? So mag-loan ka ng sasakyan or cellphone para pang formal lang, 'di ba? So makisabay lang sa anong trend ngayon. So 'yan pang hirap ngayon, 'di ba? So 'yun, bakit ba kailangan natin i-manage yung debt natin? Kasi para itong disease, kakalat at maging komplikado na aabot sa panahon na mahihirapan na natin mabayaran yung mga utang natin, 'di ba? Masarap sa feeling pag wala na tayong utang. Kasi our goal is to be rich and not to look rich. Okay, so that is debt management. Now, the next one is emergency fund. Why do we need to have an emergency fund? Ano ba itong emergency fund? So ito po ay pwede mong ma-withdraw anytime Kaya tinatawag siyang emergency fund. Kasi gagamitin mo lang ito in case of emergency. Let's say nawalan ka ba ng trabaho, biglang nagka-lockdown, nagbagyo, lumindol, di ba? It is important to have this. Usually this is 3 to 4 times of our salary. Whether you put it in your ATM or in your savings wallet, to be prepared to any emergencies, at least 3 to 6 months of our salary. Let's say I have 20,000 per month. So at least um meron, at least meron kang equivalent to 3 months, 'di ba? So 60,000. So meron kang 60,000 dapat sa bangko mo or sa emergency fund mo. Okay? So kasi meron kang makukuha at magagamit na pera, and that would be coming from your emergency fund, okay? Kasi ang emergency fund ay hindi po ito pwede basta-basta mo lang igagastos mo lang sa kahit anong bagay lang. Kung pupunta ka ng mall at may makikita kang sale at gagamitin mo yung emergency fund mo, no, hindi dapat, okay? Because this is only solely for emergency purposes at para hindi din magamit yung mga investments mo, okay? So next is ito po, building up your investment or building up your savings or investment. This would be the last one. Kung sa bahay mo ito na po yung bubong mo. Okay? Kasi karamihan sa atin, pag may pera na, diretso agad sa investment, di ba? Patayo ng bahay, bibili ng sasakyan, ng motor, bili ng lupa, magpatayo ng business. Invest agad sa mga bagay, di ba? Pero wala silang healthcare, wala silang life in protection, di ba? May utang pa sila. Wala pa silang emergency fund. Do you think it will last long? Kasi kung marami ka ng savings at malaki na yung investment mo pero wala ka din namang proper healthcare, life protection, emergency fund, di ba? Diyan ka makukuha ng panggastos mo sa hospital. So wala pa rin, di ba? So importante talaga unahin ang proper healthcare at life protection, which is your insurance, okay? So dapat din marunong din tayo magpadami ng cash flow natin kasi marami tayong kinukunan na income para sa proper healthcare at life protection natin. So now, I'm so lucky to know this X-curve here in IMG. So di ko ito alam dati dahil sa IMG ko lang nalaman itong X-curve na ito. So this X-curve shows how to take good care of our health. Okay, so kung nakita niyo po, itong red line, ito po yung responsibility line. Okay, and the blue line is what we call money line. Okay, so while you are still young, wala pa tayong masyadong savings, 'di ba? At pera, 'di ba? Kumakayod pa tayo at napakalaki pa ng responsibility natin, 'di ba? Ang goal natin pag tumanda tayo, tumataas dapat yung pera natin, 'di ba? Kasi habang tumatanda ka, dapat tumataas na din yung ipon mo. Lumalaki na yung assets mo, 'di ba? Habang tumatanda ka, at bumababa na yung responsibility mo sa buhay, dapat i-prepare mo yung kailangan mong pera para sa responsibility mo sa buhay. So ano po ba yung mga responsibility natin sa buhay? So example, ito yung mga daily needs mo gaya ng pagkain, bahay, damit, pag-aaral, kalusugan, utang mo, 'di ba? That is your responsibility. So saan ka kumukuha ng pang-provide diyan? Of course, coming from your active income. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo magtrabaho para may pera ka. Kasi kung wala kang trabaho, of course, wala ka ding pera. Kaya tinatawag siyang active, 'di ba? So ng kailangan ng effort at time mo dito para magkapera ka, 'di ba? So of course kaya mo pa 'yan kasi bata ka pa, 'di ba? Pero kung matanda ka na, let's say 65 years old ka na or 70 years old ka na, kaya mo pa ba yung active income? Hindi na. Dapat passive income ka na, 'di ba? Pera na dapat na magtatrabaho para sa iyo. Kasi during this time, kahit matanda ka na, meron ka pa ring responsibilidad. Of course, kakain ka pa rin, 'di ba? May bahay ka, 'di ba? Clothing mo, education, kung meron kang pinagpaaral, apo mo ba or anak mo. Pero ang pinakamalaking responsibilidad mo sa buhay ay yung kalusugan mo, health, 'di ba? So, kasi habang tumatanda ka, diyan na din lumalabas halos ng sakit mo, 'di ba? So yan dapat ang tatandaan natin. And of course, in our life, may if sa gitna, 'di ba? Ano ba yung if? Dalawa lang kasi ang mangyayari sa buhay mo. Okay? What if you die too soon? And what if you live too long? Okay? Ngayon, tatanungin kita, problema ba kung mamatay tayo ng maaga? Siyempre, problema, di ba? Problema pag hindi ka prepared. Okay? Kasi paano na lang yung family mo? Ang babata pa ng anak mo, ng asawa mo. Let's say, ikaw yung breadwinner at kukunin ka na ni Lord. Problema talaga yun. Magugutom sila, mababaon sila sa utang. 'Di ba? Magkapaghinto pa yung mga anak mo sa pag-aaral. Pero 'pag may life insurance ka, of course, life insurance will protect your family. Life insurance is the income replacement. Ibig sabihin, yung income na binibigay mo every month, bibigyan ng instant money yung family mo coming from your insurance coverage. That is why protektado yung family mo 'pag may insurance ka. Lalo na ngayon pandemic, 'di ba? Madaming nangyayari, bagyo, lindol, COVID-19, 'di ba? Tapos wala kang insurance. Naisip mo ba 'yun? Labas ka na labas ng bahay mo tapos wala ka din namang life insurance. Paano na lang yung family mo, 'di ba? Second if is what if we live too long? So paano ba 'yan? Problema ba 'yung kung tatanda ka? Siyempre hindi, 'pag handa ka. 'Pag prepared ka sa retirement mo. 'Pag hindi ka prepared sa retirement mo, ano ba 'yung mangyayari? Of course, kahit saan ka na lang ilalagay, 'di ba? So of course, dapat meron ka ding investment. Sa pagtanda mo, dapat meron ka investment kasi you need to protect yourself kasi ikaw na 'yung tumatanda kasama 'yung asawa mo, 'di ba? Hindi mo pwedeng iasa sa anak mo 'yung retirement mo. Bakit? Nakagarantiya ba kayo na ang anak nyo ay kayo pa rin ang priority nila kahit may pamilya na sila? Siyempre hindi na, 'di ba? Kaya huwag masyadong magkampante sa mga anak mo. You need to be financially independent. You need to take control of your own money, 'di ba? So habang bata ka pa ngayon, habang kumikita ka pa ngayon, may active income ka pa, okay? Set aside ka na, 'di ba? May active income ka pa eh, so hindi ka pa retired. So set aside ka na ng pera sa mga investments. And from there, yung investment mo, yun na yung magtatabaho para sa'yo. So that is what we call LOI, okay? Living on interest. So kahit wala kang trabaho, yung tubo na pera bumabalik sa'yo through interest sa investment mo, yun ang bubuhay sa'yo, okay? So and that is reality. So how do we have this passive income? Uh, how do how do we have this? How do we get this one? Okay, so how do we make money work for us? So we have this what we call rule of 72. It was discovered by Albert Einstein. Okay? So it is called the power of compounding interest. So ano ba ito? So ibig sabihin, you just need to divide the number 72 by the interest rate of your savings or investment that will give the estimated number of years it will take for your money to double. So ibig sabihin, para malaman mo kung ilang taon mong kailangan isipin na para kailan madodoble yung pera mo, you just divide the number 72 sa interest rate sa savings mo or sa investment mo and that will give you the answer. So for example, I open an savings account in the bank. Let's say BDO, the biggest bank in the Philippines. So I put 10,000 in BDO. So of course, BDO will only give me 0.25%. But for calculation purposes, let's make it bigger. Let us make it by 1%. So of course, your money will double after 72 years pa, 'di ba? 72 divided by 1 is equals to 72 years pa. So ang tanong, buhay ka pa ba niyan? Di mo na makikita madoble yung pera mo unless you live too long, 'di ba? That's why kung i-check mo yung tubo ng pera mo sa bangko, ang liit lang, 'di ba? Minsan hindi pa tumutubo. Mas malaki pa yung withholding tax na 20%, tapos meron pa 6% na inflation. Imagine, mas malaki pa yung inflation kaysa sa tubo ng pera mo. That is why it is not advisable to put our money in the bank. Okay? So that's it. Your money doubles after 72 years. So it will become 20,000. So yan lang po makukuha mo after 72 years, di ba? So ang liit lang. So now, kung sabihan ka sa bangko na may mas malaki pang interest, so sabihan ka sa bangko na lagay mo yung pera mo sa bangko, bigyan kita ng 4%. So ano ba yung 4%? Of course, that is what we call time deposit. Okay, time deposit po yan. Let's say, naglagay ako ng 100,000 at the age of 29. Okay? So, at every 18 years, dumodoble yung pera ko, di ba? So, money doubles every 18 years. Okay? So, 72 divided by 4 is equals to 18. So, ibig sabihin, every 18 years, okay, madodoble yung pera mo, di ba? So, let's say 100,000 at the age of 47, magiging 200,000 na po siya. At the age of 65 times 2 na naman, 400,000. So, every 18 years, dumodoble yung pera mo, di ba? Sa tingin mo, magiging happy kanyan sa 400,000, bibigyan ka ng 400,000 at the age of 65. Malaki na ba yung 400,000? Of course, maliit pa yan kasi at the age of 65, ang mahal na ng bigas niyan. Ang liit na ng value ng 400,000 at the age of 65. So, dapat ati ilagay yung pera natin sa mas malaki pa sa inflation rate, di ba? Ngayon, nung naglagay ako ng 100, nung naglagay tayo ng 100,000, do you think nakatago lang ito sa vault ng bangko? Hindi. Ginamit ng bangko ang pera mo. Okay, so nilagay nila sa 8% kasi may alam silang mas malaki pang interest ng paglalagyan ng mga pera ng depositor at dumodoble ay yung pera mo every 9 years dito. So kung nakikita nyo, at the age of 65, magkano na yung pera mo? Okay, so nagiging 1.6 million na po siya. So binalik sa bangko yung 400,000 sa iyo at ang naiwan sa kanila ay 1.2 million pesos, di ba? So yun na yung kita ng bangko, ang laki, di ba? And that will be used for personal expenses, expansions, putting other branches, di ba? At ang iba pa niyan, ini-invest pa yan sa bangko sa mas malaki pang interest. Kasi may alam silang mas malaki pang interest and that is 12%. So yung pera niyo, ang bilis lang tumubo sa bangko, nung bangko na ang gumamit, di ba? So 72 divide 12 equals 6. So your money will double only every 6 years na lang po, di ba? So at the age of 65, okay? So magiging 6.4 million na po siya, di ba? So ang laki ng difference, ang laki ng tinubo, di ba? At hindi natin to alam, di ba? So, kasi sila lang po nakakaalam niya, di ba? So yan po ang tituro ko sa inyo ngayon. So saan ba yung 12%? Bakit di natin yan alam? Kasi sila lang at yung mga rich people ang nakakaalam nito, di ba? That's why the rich gets richer while the poor gets poorer, di ba? So sa isang depositor lang po ito. Okay, so what more kung lahat na po ng depositor, di ba? So napakalaki ng income ng bangko, di ba? Ngayon, saan ba yung 12%? So tingnan natin muna natin yung history natin. So history of our deposit rate, okay? So deposit interest rate from 1976 to 2000, for let's say to the present, okay? So as you can see in our history of our deposit rate, napakalaki ng interest nung 1984, di ba? So ito ay during Marcos era. So okay lang kung ilagay mo sa bangko ang pera mo that time. Kasi napakalaki pang interest, okay lang. Pero ngayon, this 2021, kung ilagay mo yung pera mo sa bangko, magkano na lang yung interest, yung interest, magkano na lang yung interest na binibigay ng bangko, di ba? 0.25% na lang. But the latest is 0.125, di ba? So lumiliit talaga siya, di ba? So, grabe yung inflation. So, but I'm not against with the bank because bank is good for my business and for my transaction. But when it comes to investment, maling-mali pag ilagay mo siya sa bangko, di ba? Okay? So now, where should we put our money? In the bank by opening a savings account or investing it in mutual funds? Saan ba mas maganda? Saan ba dapat? Okay, so ikaw ito investor at of course naghahanap ka kung saan mag-invest. Kung sa bank ka maglagay ng pera as a depositor, of course you are opening a savings account, di ba? So the money that we save in the bank, di natin alam that the bank invested it in where? Okay, in the government securities, commercial papers, stocks, and equities, retail loans, and real estate. And they can gain how many percent? So that is 12%. So they can gain 12% with that. At tayo depositor, bibigyan lang po tayo ng 0.25%. Wherein sa ngayon, nagiging 0.125% na lang po siya. So, grabe po inflation kung sa bangko ka po magsisave, di ba? Pero kung sa mutual fund ka din naman magsisave or mag-invest as a shareholder, same din. Diyan din siya naka-invest sa government securities, commercial papers, stocks, equities, retail loans, and real estate. But the good thing here is that if they can earn 12%, you can earn and gain 12% too from your savings or investment. Okay, so kung tatanungin kita, saan maganda mag-invest? Of course, sa mutual funds, di ba? So ngayon, okay. So ano ba yung mutual fund? Ano bang workflow ng mutual fund? So paano ba pinaikot ng pera natin dito sa mutual fund? So let's say, so this is you as an investor, and what you invest in mutual funds will be placed in fund house, okay? So yung pera mo dito sa fund house, okay? they will appoint fund manager para siya na po mag-invest sa mga sa blue chip companies na ito. Of course, the fund manager will not only place your money in one company, but it will pool it with the different companies. Okay, so fund manager will invest it in securities like stocks, bonds, gold, and etc. And the income that we can gain here, it will generate and it will give return and it will pass back to us as investors. So yan po ang workflow ng mutual fund at yan po ang process paano pinaikot ang pera natin dito sa mutual fund. Okay, now my question is, how much can you save to achieve your goals? Okay, so let's say 1,000 per month lang po yung masisave mo. Kung sa bank mo lang yan ilagay sa time deposit, so kung sa time deposit meron kang 4% na interest, di ba? So after 30 years, meron ka lang masisave na 694,050 pesos, di ba? Pero kung sa mutual fund mo siya ilagay, meron kang interest rate na 12%, di ba? So after 30 years, magiging 3 million pesos plus na po siya, di ba? Ang laki ng difference. What if you can save more than 1,000 per month? Let's say you can save 5,000 pesos per month. So if you save it in mutual funds after 10 years, of course, magiging milyonaryo ka na po. 'Di ba? So yan po. So yan po napakaganda po sa mutual fund magsi-save, 'di ba? So now, paano ba talaga tayo makapag-invest? Meron tayong tinatawag na pay yourself first. Bayaran niyo muna yung sarili ninyo. Kasi minsan sa atin, pag matanggap na natin yung sahod natin, saan na lang binabayad? Saan ba binabayad? So, padala agad sa magulang, bayad sa kuryente, tubig. Pero sino yung napapagod? Sino yung nasa stress? Di ba ikaw? So, dapat bayaran mo muna yung sarili mo. So, we have this what we call abundance formula. So, nasa librong ito, ang isa sa nagturo nito ay si Brother Bo Sanchez. Galing sa libro niya, The Abundance Formula. Okay? So, ito po, The Abundance Formula. So, sinasabi dito na once ma-receive mo yung pera mo, 10% of it is you will give it, you will have it for tithes. You should give back to the Lord. And it is also biblical, di ba? So, the more you give, the more you receive. Tapos savings, of course. Next is savings, like 20%. You should set aside niyan, okay? You should pay yourself, di ba? So, mag-save ka talaga for investment mo, for future purposes. So, saka ka na gumastos. So, 70% lang ng income mo, dyan na po yung expenses mo at lifestyle mo. Okay, so yan po ang abundance formula. So, now, tapos na po tayo sa pera. Ngayon, babalik tayo sa healthcare. Ano ba ang insurance ang meron natin? Aside sa PhilHealth, ano ba? So, kasi halos ang Pilipino nakaasa lang kasi sa PhilHealth. At alam naman natin na grabe yung corruption na nangyari sa PhilHealth, di ba? Kaya nga importante malalaman natin bakit kailangan tayo magkaroon ng long-term care. Okay, so what is the best healthcare? So, this is Health Maintenance Organization, HMO. So, we have this what we call short-term healthcare and long-term care plan. Okay, so when we have short-term healthcare, always remember that is your benefit as an employee. So so of course this time this you are still active because you have active income. Okay? And of course, ang renewal nito is yearly. That means yearly nag-increase yung premium sa short-term healthcare. So ang ah, kung nalaman ng insurance company na palagi kang nagkasakit, baka i-cancel pa nila yung policy mo, 'di ba? So ito po yung mga companies na merong mga short-term healthcare. So we have Insular Healthcare, we have Intellicare, we have Fortune, we have Coco Life, we have Sun Life of Canada, we have Medicare, Flexicare, Medicare Plus. Okay, so yan po sila yung mga merong short-term healthcare. Pero iisa lang po ang merong long-term care plan dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, so what is this long-term care plan? It is your benefit starting from your age now until you get old. So kahit retire ka na, so of course you will still be benefited. So you can only have this here in Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated. So ang Kaiser lang po ang merong long-term care plan. And always remember, ang long-term healthcare ay hindi nag increase. Fix po yung premium niya. And you will only just pay for this for 7 years lang po. Okay, so yan po. So tingnan niyo po ang mga picture nito. Saan niyo po gusto ma-admit? Sa executive, sa pay ward, o sa charity? Of course, kung wala kang healthcare, of course, sa charity ka malalagay at malalabas pa na meron kang COVID-19, TB or anong pang sakit kasi pati sa sahig, 'di ba? Meron ding pasyente sa sahig, 'di ba? So yan po, napaka-importante ng healthcare. Okay, now my question is, who can help who can help you build your solid financial foundation? Sino ba talaga? Is it the financial services or si IMG? Let's say si financial services. Let's just say. So always remember kung financial services ang pipiliin mo, yan po ang sa bangko, 'di ba? At always remember, meron talaga yung broker or agent. Of course, you are need to go through the middleman, 'di ba? And because of that, um uh bank agent or broker will earn commissions from the product you buy. So if you are going to choose this industry, this the, financial services, of course, you will you really need to go through to a broker or agent. So what is with IMG? Kung sa IMG din naman ang pipiliin mo, ano bang meron dyan? Of course, you're already bypassing the middleman. Hindi na po kailangan na um, meron kang middleman. Kasi you are already the middleman, okay? You are the broker or the agent already. And that's why you have the direct access to the financial companies if you are in IMG, and you can enjoy the discounts from the financial products that you buy, and you can become your own money manager. Kasi ikaw na yung agent or broker. 'Di ba? So naka-less ka pa. So hindi naka so mas easier pa yung pag-invest mo or pag start mo sa investment mo, 'di ba? So, what you invest in financial services, yan din ang ma-invest mo sa IMG. Same pa rin. Ang napakaganda lang po dito sa IMG is you already bypass the middleman. You don't need any agent or broker already because you are the agent and broker already. Okay? So, who can help you build your solid financial foundation? Of course, it's the IMG. Diba? Napakaganda kung ikaw ang agent or broker na, di ba? So ngayon, ano bang nasa IMG? Ano bang makukuha mo kung member ka ng IMG? So of course, IMG is uh, trying to educate Filipinos to have a literate life. So that's why we have this financial education for free for everyone. That's why for your exclusive benefit, you can have this free ebook, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Okay, so uh, ngayon, ito na yung um, nasa webinar natin ngayon. So, some pages of this book, dinidiscuss na natin kanina. Okay, so meron na kayong idea kung anong nasa loob nitong librong ito. Okay, so that is you have free ebook here, and of course you have a free ebook of this financial workbook. Okay, so the book says here that don't let money control you. You should know how to protect and preserve and make money work for you through this Financial Foundation educational program exclusive offered to IMG members. Okay? So the next benefit that we can get here as an IMG member, you can have free financial workshops. So ano ba yung mga workshops na matutunan mo dito? So you will learn how to increase your cash, okay? Increasing of cash flow. You can manage your debt, you can build your strong financial foundation. You will learn how to have a proper protection. You can know how to build your wealth, your asset accumulation, how to plan your retirement, how to preserve your wealth, and how to build a business in the financial industry. So yan po, malalaman niyo po yan lahat dito lang po sa IMG for free. Walang bayad, di ba? So ngayon, ano pa? So exclusive benefit number 8. So stay financially healthy with IMG's exclusive financial checkup. So, by attaining financial independence, hindi po 'yan as difficult as everyone has made to believe. Okay? So, it's only either you believe you're not in control of your finances or approaching it with a wrong mindset. Kasi nasa mindset lang po 'yan kasi natin eh. So, this financial checkup will help you figure out the source of your financial problem or which mindset or lifestyle of yours must be changed in order to achieve your goals. So, nasa sa'yo talaga yan. So with this free financial checkup, you will learn and know what is the root of your financial problem. Okay, so exclusive benefit number 9. Okay, ito po, exclusive discounted price for all IMG members. So if you want to have this certification program as an associate financial planner here in IMG, you will be having a big discount to have this certification program. So it is partnership with the registered financial planners of the Philippines. Okay, so ang AFP po, yan po ay professional designation awarded to RFP. Okay? So yan po. Next is exclusive benefit number 10. You can have up to 300,000 free personal accident insurance of Manila Bankers Life. So you can be secured already with this um, free personal accident insurance from our partner Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation. Okay, so next is exclusive benefit number 11. So you have Fidelity Life Mutual Benefit Association Incorporated. So they offer life assistance worth 50,000 pesos with 24/7 free memorial concert through Everest Memorial Service. So you just need to pay 500 pesos. It is a one-time lifetime membership fee already for Fidelity Life. Okay? Para meron kang 50,000 life assistance. Okay? So exclusive benefit number 12, you can enjoy a free eye checkup with computerized eye examination and receive a maximum of 2 pairs of ING and Kaiser frames. Per year po yan, per year with multi-coated lens, and you can purchase this one at participating De Los Reyes Optical Center, Kaiser Medical Center, and Site for Eyes branches. Okay? So the next benefit, Kaiser exclusive benefit number 13. So we have Kaiser Medical Center, and you can have free unlimited consultation if you are an IMG member, because financial education is not just for the wealthy, and good health is not just for the rich. It is for everyone. Okay? So exclusive benefit number 14, not feeling good, you should come over to Kaiser Medical Center and avail the discounted medical services exclusively offered to members only. So remember that good health is an important investment to ensure now that your health is at its peak. Okay, so exclusive benefit number 15, bring your family members to their annual medical examinations or consultations to monitor their health and fitness. Maximize the discounted price in medical services offered by Kaiser Medical Center, especially for your immediate family members. Okay? So exclusive benefit number 16. So ito po, you can become an automatic mutual fund investor. So you can get an IMG Soldibo Strategic Growth Fund through the automatic mutual fund investor program for new IMG members, whereas 1,000 from your membership fee will serve as your initial capital for your mutual fund investment. So once you are an IMG member, automatic, um, you are already a mutual fund investor. Okay? So yan po. And disclaimer lang po, IMG does not sell mutual fund. All mutual funds are sold by Ramber Financials. Okay? Ito po. Partners lang sila ni IMG. Okay? So but they are the one who sell mutual fund. Okay? So these are the top 10 holdings of Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. We have SM Investment Corporation, Ayala Land, Ayala Corporation, SM Prime Holdings, BPI, BDO, ICTS, GFC, Medco Pacific Investment, Bloomberry Resource Corporation. Okay, yan po ang top 10 holdings natin. So next is the access. If you are an IMG member, you can access the Kaiser healthcare products and services. So we have long-term care, senior care, and short-term care in Kaiser. So always remember, the first step in building a strong financial foundation is securing your healthcare. And by this, we mean finding the best healthcare provider for you that will give you the right products and services to guarantee your success in the future. Okay? And it will be explained more further on our another session, the webinar of Kaisir, every weekdays at 5 p.m. So sana mamaya po at 5 p.m. makadalo kayo sa webinar natin sa Kaisir para malaman nyo po ang ano pang nasa Kaiser. Okay, so exclusive benefit number 18, safeguard your family's life by protecting your own through the Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation products and services exclusively for IMG members. So we have this most 18. So we have IRA, income replacement assurance, and we have Everest Memorial Solution. So if you're an IMG member, okay, you can have these life insurances, okay, and you can safeguard your family's life through these uh, insurances, okay. So that's it. Exclusive benefit number 19, take advantage of the free investment seminars. Okay, of course, we have free investment seminars once you're an IMG member, and it is exclusively provided by the best investment firms in the country. So we have Atram, we have Phil Equity, FAMI, Sun Life Asset Management, okay, Ramper Financial, Soldivo Funds, okay. So explore more about mutual funds, investments, and many more at 0% entry fee. So yan po, 0% entry fee lang po dito. So kung sa iba ka mag-invest, of course, meron kang babayaran na entry fee. So you should grab this opportunity to effectively navigate your stock market and succeed in your investment. Okay? And disclaimer again, IMG does not sell mutual funds. All mutual funds are sold by Ramper Financials. Okay? So next is exclusive benefit number 20. Access all the latest investments, um, updates, guidelines, and analysis from one of the best online trading tools available in the market today. That is the MyTrade. Okay, so they offer the most advanced platform in the trading portal industry. So kung gusto niyo po mag-trading, then we have MyTrade in IMG. Okay, so exclusive benefit number 21. Okay, IMG is already having a partnership with Palawan Express Pera Padala. That means that with more than 4,000 branches of Pera Palawan, Palawan Express, they now accept IMG payments ranging from your membership fee to premium and billing payments without hassle and worry. Okay? So yan po. So of course now you have discounts too if you're an IMG member. So what is it? So you can save your money on non-life insurance and you can have discounts on that. So take good care of what you have worked for. That's why you need to protect your properties and other assets by getting this the best term section and non-life insurance company, okay, from our longtime partners in the casualty of insurance industry. Okay, so we have Malayan Insurance, Standard Insurance, Pioneer, we have UCPB, we have MAPFRE. Okay, so the next exclusive benefit is exclusive benefit number 23. So you can have mm, you will have a member saving on real estate purchases. So if you want to move to a bigger house, then now's your chance to make that dream happen. Purchase your dream house by availing the members discount price exclusively offered to the biggest by the biggest real estate developers in the country. We have SMDC, Ayala Land, and DMCI. Okay? So exclusive benefit number 24. So sa kung ikaw ay taga Batangas, so this is really good for you kasi you can lay in rest peacefully surrounded by the beauty and calmness of nature at the Heaven of Infinity in Batangas. So you can get special discounts here on memorial lights and interment packages. Okay? So exclusive benefit number 25 to 28. So kung gusto niyo po mm, um, matuto pa paano mag uh, talk online so that uh, network like you or people will love listen to you and buy the products from you, so you will have a discount on these special courses. So if you want to create a 24/7 selling machine using the Power Email Marketing, then you will learn here and you can have discount. And if you want to write a book, even though you are not a writer, then you can learn it here in our special courses. And of course, if you want to grow your income to real estate, meron din tayong special courses niyan. Okay, and you can have discounts on that if you are an IMG member. Diba? So napaganda, diba? You are not just investing, but you are also learning a lot of things specifically for financial uh, informations. Okay, so we have for the services. Okay, so of course, maganda talaga ang services ni IMG. And one of that is having this Everest Memorial Services. So of course, they are the provider or coordinator for your memorial services on their partners funeral homes near you. So para itong St. Peter, libre talaga yung services nila. Libre lang yung services nila as long as IMG member ka. Okay? And exclusive benefit number 30, asset preservation services. So you can protect your assets or your property here para di mag-away-away yung mga anak mo pag mawala ka na at para ma-divide ng maayos yung assets mo. Okay? Exclusive benefit number 31. Ano ba ito? IMG Auto Program. So you can get huge savings and discounts being an IMG member. So one of the IMG members here purchased a Montero and he get a 150,000 discount of being an IMG member. Di ba? Napakalaki. Hindi ka makakita ng ganyan na bibili ka ng sakyan at meron ka pang discount na makukuha mo. So membership mo, di ba? So napakaganda, di ba? So ngayon, exclusive benefit number 32, ito po ay kung gusto mo pong mag-business sa IMG. So we have this entrepreneurship. So be in the financial industry. So discover the world of financial industry and become your own financial educator. So you can create a business here from this field and while managing your time freely. You can build strong community and help people develop a strong financial foundation. You can become debt free with that and make more families and individuals attain a financial independent life because of you. And with that, if you want to be part of this in the financial industry, then you can be part-time or full-time here. And always remember, walang quota dito or walang pressure. And permanent yung position mo, walang demotion. So let's say you are marketing director. So kung nag-stop ka sa pagiging marketing director, hindi mo na tinatrabaho yung pagiging marketing director mo, di pagbalik mo, yun pa rin. Same pa rin yung position mo. Okay? So we have also ownership and vesting rights here and you can earn extra 20,000 to 50,000 monthly. Okay, so that's it. The exclusive benefit number 32. Now, the next one is exclusive benefit number 33. So if you want to travel the world, then you can have it in here in IMG as your reward. Okay, so you can get on awesome adventures, experiences, and grandiose at cruise ship dinners. You can attend life-changing conventions here and abroad and be able to qualify to join exclusive trips. Okay, so um, ah, mga IMG members natin, maraming na marami na napuntahan, 'di ba? So we have Vietnam, San Francisco, USA, Las Vegas, Italy, Thailand, Japan, Korea, China, Dubai, at ngayon ang susunod ay London na naman, 'di ba? So kung gusto mo pong ah, pumunta ng London, then be in IMG, 'di ba? Be part of IMG. Okay? So before we go to the next benefit, so, ipakilala ko po muna ito si Sir Dave Vallejos. So, ito si Sir Dave Vallejos, founder siya ng Wise Millennials. Ito siya dati nung wala pa siya ng IMG. Isang seaman po siya at he is working sa barko, di ba? So, at ang kanyang nanay ay fish vendor. At alam naman natin, ang hirap maging seaman kasi ang layo mo sa pamilya mo, di ba? At hindi pa natin alam yung sitwasyon nila doon sa barko, di ba? So, kaya yun, nag-quit siya sa pagiging seaman at nag-full-time siya sa IMG kasama yung nanay niya. So ngayon, Senior Executive Vice Chairman na po siya ngayon sa ING. Nakamit na po niya yung financial foundation, financial freedom by building the solid financial foundation. He traveled the world with his mom. Just look at it. 'Di ba? Ang dami na nilang napuntahan dahil lang sa pagbibuild ng solid financial foundation. Sinunod lang nila yung natutunan nila dito sa IMG. Kaya kung kaya ni Sir Dave magiging financially free, of course, kayo rin. Alam ko kaya niyo rin ito. Okay, so I hope Sir Dave's story inspires you. Okay, so we have the next one. Let's go to the next benefit, exclusive benefit number 34. Of course, you will have a reward. If you're doing the IMG business, then of course you can have these rewards. Receive world-class recognition for your unselfish mission. We have elite rings. We have uh, we have gold pins. This one, di ba? We have gold watch, di ba? And we have dream car. You can get your dream car. All are yours for taking financial educator. Okay, so of course, your hard work will definitely pay off. Okay, so exclusive benefit number 35. Get an exclusive free healthcare coverage once you get promoted to marketing director, senior marketing director, or any of the executive positions. Okay, so yan po napakaganda pag um, nag-business ka sa ING. Okay, so ngayon, for member support, ito po yung mga makukuha mo as a member. Um, more benefits. Okay, ito po ang more benefits na makukuha mo as a member. So, you can get access to the most innovative platform for all IMG members. Now available anytime and anywhere with its user-friendly interface. Everything is easier to locate and utilize, starting from the dashboard, where you can find your exclusive benefits. This is your dashboard. And to the page of submission of your qualification runs. Okay, so you can use it from your laptop, computer, or your phones, tablets. Okay lang po. So available anytime and anywhere as long as meron kang internet connection. Okay, so exclusive benefit number 37, Dominate Tool. And always remember, this is the best digital platform for IMG members that features the most efficient tools to keep your IMG business presence online. So the Dominate tool is the perfect marketing program if you wish to bring your business to all parts of the world. Okay. So exclusive benefit number 38. Learn all new things that IMG offers through this exclusive benefit. Receive the member support that you need from the latest updates, news runs, and reminders sent straight to your email and on your members portal. Okay, that's why updated ka talaga dito. And exclusive benefit number 39, the all new money transfer application exclusive to IMG members. You have this an instant app that allows you to receive commissions, transfer funds, and pay bills through the kiosk. So this is the Nura Cash. Okay, and it will make your receiving of commission easier, faster, and safer. So kung nagbi-business ka sa IMG, then your commissions will be sent straight through here, and it is very fast. Okay, now for international members, ito po yung mga benefits nila. Okay, so you can receive an exclusive IMG Visa card once you're an IMG member, and you can use this uh, in your IMG transactions worldwide. Okay, exclusive benefit number 41: experience exciting fun and one-of-a-kind events exclusively offered to international coded members. Exclusive benefit number 42: join and qualify in the runs and contest available for international members. Okay, so this one. Okay, for exclusive benefit 43 to number 48. So sa lahat po ito, whether you are international coded member or locally, we have this worldwide protection from Manila Bankers Life. So once you have accidental death, then you can have the 500,000 as your benefit. And for burial, so we have a 100,000. So accidental medical reimbursement benefit, so you have 100,000. So exclusive benefit number 46, we have access to terrorism, 600,000. Unprovoked murder and assault. So you can have 600,000. And accidental disablement benefit. So let's say naputulan ka ba ng kamay, ng paa, of course you will have a benefit on that. Okay? So yan po ang 48 benefits of being an IMG member, di ba? Ang napakakarami, di ba? So, if you're an IMG member, of course, meron din yang card, di ba? So, para din yang kagaya ng SM, di ba? Meron sa SM na Advantage card. Kung nasa National Bookstore, merong laking national, di ba? Card, di ba? So, yan po. Gaya ng IMG, meron din card ang IMG once you're a member. Okay? So, ito yung benefits na makuha mo sa pagiging member ng IMG, and you can have a lot of savings and discounts here. Maabot ito ng 300,000 ang masisave mo, di ba? Napakalaki. Diba? So what are you waiting for? Be an IMG member now and start investing and saving and building your future and building your solid financial foundation. Okay? So how to start? Become a lifetime member of IMG and talk to the person who invited you to know how. What is my recommendation to you? It is just to invest in financial education first before anything else. Because if you spend it with other things, may babalik ba sa'yo? Di ba wala? But if you spend it with financial education, hindi ka lang natututo, bawing-bawi ka pa sa benefits. So ito po yung portal natin sa IMG. So once you are an IMG member, so meron ka ng IMG portal at magiging business mo na din. Of course, meron siya accreditation fee per year kasi malulugi yung company kung um, uh, lifetime yung benefits, di ba? Of course, lifetime kang member, pero ang benefits hindi lifetime kasi malulugi yung partner companies ng IMG. Okay, pero nasa sayo na rin yan kung mag-renew ka. Okay, pero as a member of IMG, lifetime na yan. Okay? So who are the people who join IMG? So who are the members of IMG here? So we have some of these people who join IMG are uniform personnel. So mga police, coast guard, sundalo, sino pa ito? Jail guard, bumbero, sila nakapag-invest na sila sa mutual funds at nagkaroon na sila ng healthcare. So sa mga naisip na nagsabi dyan na scam si IMG, tingnan nyo lang kung sino yung mga members ng IMG, mga uniform personnel. Kung scam pa ito sa IMG, then matagal na po nakaposas yung mga members ng IMG, di ba? Next is mga teachers, okay? Marami na rin tayong natulungan ng mga teachers kasi mostly sa mga teachers, merong mga loans, baon sa utang, tsaka underpaid pa. Diba? So dito, naturuan din silang mag-ipon, paano makapag-invest. At meron na din silang sariling mutual fund accounts at tsaka healthcare and insurance. Okay? So the next one is mga OFW at seafarers, 'di ba? Meron din tayo niyan. Mga seaman, okay? So mission natin is tulungan natin sila na magkaroon ng sarili nilang investments at makapag-retire ng umaga. Kasi alam naman natin ang hirap ng buhay as a seaman, 'di ba? Ang hirap. So yun po. So before we end, okay? Sabi ni Bill Gates, founder ng Microsoft Corporation, if you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, then it is your mistake already. So even though you listen attentively, you enjoy listening, you learn a lot on our webinar today, but you have no action. You did not take um any action. What you learned today, diba? So nothing will happen. So you should act now before it's too late. Okay? So that's it. Thank you so much for attending our webinar for today. I hope you learned a lot. And I am your financial educator, Philip Animbong. Kindly visit my Facebook page anytime. This is my contact number also and my email address. So kindly visit my Facebook page, Road to Financial Freedom. So thank you so much for listening and God bless everyone.